Chapter 3 National Symbols and Festivals of India. What is a national symbol? Our flag is one of the national symbols of India. National symbols are things used to represent a country and its people. India has many national symbols. They have been chosen very carefully. Let us learn about these symbols. National Flag. Our flag has three colors. These are saffron, white and deep green. Saffron is at the top, white is in the middle and green is at the bottom. A navy blue chakra in the center is called the flag. It is called the Dharma Chakra. Each color has a special meaning. Saffron stands for courage. White is a symbol of truth and peace, and green stands for growth and progress. The 24 spokes in the wheel represent 24 hours of the day. We hoist our national flag on special days. It is flown on government buildings, schools and also in people's homes. The Indian Flag. National Anthem. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. An anthem is a song that has special significance for a country. It was written almost 100 years ago by Rabindranath Tagore, the great poet and writer. It became the national anthem of India on 24 January 1950. The national anthem mentions different regions of India and says that all Indians are one. It is sung at all official functions and sporting events and even in schools and movies theatres. It takes approximately 52 seconds to sing the full version of the anthem. Rabindranath Tagore. National Emblem. A national emblem is a design or picture that represents a country. Our emblem has been taken from the top of a pillar built in the time of Emperor Ashoka, who lived more than 2000 years ago. The emblem has 4 lions which are back to back, making only 3 of them visible in the pictures. Below the lions are a galloping horse and a bull, and in between them is the chakra used in our flag. Below these are written the words Satyamev Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs. The national emblem is used only for official purposes and events of national importance. It appears on all government papers and letters, money and passports. National Emblem. Other national symbols. India has some other national symbols too. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. The national bird of India is the peacock. The banyan tree is the national tree of India. The national fruits of India is the mango. The national flower of India is the lotus. All these symbols are a part of our heritage. They give us an identity. We should be proud of our symbols. Festivals of India. India is a big country with different people and communities living together in different regions. That is why there are so many festivals in India. A festival is a special day when people celebrate. They wear new clothes, make and eat special dishes, sing songs or dance and meet friends and family. Festivals make our life colorful and fun. There are some religious festivals, some based on season and others of national importance. Seasonal festivals. Some festivals are celebrated in a particular season. For example, the harvest season has many festivals. Farmers celebrate to give thanks for a successful harvest. Traditionally, huge feasts are shared among family and friends. Celebrations include music, dance, contests and singing hymns to give thanks. The people of Punjab and Haryana celebrate Baisakhi by performing the joyful Bhangra and Gidda dance. Baisakhi. Onam is the famous harvest festival of Kerala. The key attraction is the snake boat race. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is a Thanksgiving celebration where people express their deep gratitude to Mother Nature. They decorate their houses and make pongal, a rice dish that is cooked in clay pots on stoves made of stones and wood. In Assam, the Bihu festival marks the harvest season. Local women wear beautiful mekhilas and participate in group songs and dances. Bihu. In Mizoram, in northeast India, the popular spring festival of Chapchar Kut celebrates the completion of bamboo harvesting. Nongkrem Dance Festival is a harvest festival of Meghalaya. In Bengal, people celebrate Nabanna, a festival where new rice is harvested with joy and stocked in homes. The key attractions are Pesh, a type of kheer made of freshly harvested rice. For people of Punjab, the festival of Lohari holds a great significance as it marks the harvesting season in Punjab and the end of the winter season. The main event is making of a huge bonfire which is symbolic of the homage to the sun god for bringing in warmth. Vasant Panchami marks the beginning of the spring season. It is considered to be an auspicious day for new beginnings. People wear yellow clothes that symbolizes the beauty of nature and they fly kites too. Religious festivals. People of many different religions live in India. Some festivals are celebrated almost all over the country, while others are celebrated only in certain regions. People of other communities also join in the celebrations of some of these festivals. Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated with enthusiasm almost throughout India. This festival is celebrated by decorating the houses with lights, clay lamps, and candles. Diwali. The arrival of spring in India is marked by the festival of Holi. People wish each other by applying gulal or colored powder on each other's cheeks. They enjoy eating gujia and dance and sing.